Okay, in this video, we're going to look at how to publish a Google Sheet. So there may be some cases where you want to have a lot of people be able to see the sheet. You don't want to have to enter everyone's email address. So you can share a sheet with up to 200 users or groups. But if you're wanting to share with more than 200, publishing is the way to go. So the way we do that is we go up to File, and we go down to Publish to Web. So we have a couple options here. We can publish as a link, or we can create an embed code where you'll be able to embed the sheet in a web page. So if we want to publish as a link, we would select this, and then we have the option to either publish the entire document or individual sheets within the document. We'll do the entire document. And then we also have options as far as how we want to publish this. We can either have it turn into a web page, or we can have it turn into a CSV file, comma separated values file, or a TSV file, tab separated values, or we can have it turn into a PDF, or as a Microsoft Excel document if we want to take it into Excel and do some more edits on it, or as an open document spreadsheet. So in this case, we'll just leave it as a web page. And then you just have some publishing options down here. So once again, either the entire document or individual sheets. And then you could hit the Start Publishing button and it would begin publishing. And we just get prompted up here if we want to publish it. So we select that. And what that does is that gives us this link right here. So now if we take this link, we'll copy it and we'll put it into another window here. And you see, this is what they would see, whoever you give that link to. So we have the different sheets. There's nothing on them right now, but here's our gradebook that we set up. So once we've published it, it gives us some other options here too as far as how we want to share it. So we could share it through Google+. If we select Gmail here, it would open up Gmail and put the link here into Gmail. We have Facebook, and then we also have Twitter. So it would take the link that we have right here and it would put them on either of those sites. But once we click that, we would have to log in and to be able to get access to those accounts. So the other option we have is we can choose to embed the sheet. And once again, we can choose if we want the entire document or individual sheets. And so what this does is this creates this code right here, this HTML code. So you'd be able to copy this code, and if you have a blog or a website, you'd be able to paste this code into the HTML editor, and then it would be embedded on either your blog page or your website, and people would be able to see the sheet that way. Okay, and that is how we publish a Google Sheet. Another thing we can do is we can download the sheet into different formats. So if we go up to File and we go down to Download As, this shows you the options we have to be able to download. So say if we want to take something we're working on, a Google Sheet we're working on, but we want to give it to someone that is using Microsoft Excel and they want to make some changes to it, you could download it as a Microsoft Excel document and then give it to them. We also have the open document format. You could download it as a PDF if you want someone to be able to look at it but not make any changes. We can download it as a web page, as a comma separated value sheet, and then as a tab separated value sheet. So those are different ways that we can download the file and be able to share it with other people. Okay, in this video we looked at how to publish a sheet and also how to download a sheet into different formats. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.